Hey everyone, this is your badass rider Dhanraj here, and today I bring to you an important device that most of us riders need when we start working on our own motorcycles, and that is basically a toolkit. So this is the Stanley 46 piece toolkit, and this is something that is easily available online if you want to buy it. And at the same time, like you can see over here, it has a ratchet wrench. It has this device, I'm sorry, I'm bad with the names. It has a few set of allen keys and a lot of screwdriver bits and a lot of bolt bits to open the bolts. And it also has this flexible spring kind of extension rod, and this one which you can pull outside and spin. I'm not very sure what these are called. And it has this bendable neck as well, which you can add on this. So first of all, let me just get to the unboxing of this really quick. This is how the product looks. It's pretty solid, quite heavy, and even at the back there's some details about it. And first of all, to open this box, you will have to turn to the other side, and you can see there are two clips over here, and in between, this is what I liked a lot, there's a tiny screw over here, if you can see properly. So let me just try to focus on it. Yeah, so that screw needs to be unscrewed so that you can later be able to open the box. So as of now, I have already loosened the screw and kept, so that I can make this video quite easily. So this screw you will have to get rid of on the first go, and then this is going to open like a briefcase. So you just open these two clips, and there you have it. So these are all the screw bits that you have over here, and the allen key bits over here. And other than that, you also have the ratchet wrench here from Stanley, and this is a very good American brand, Stanley, which is known for their hardware tools. This, as you can see, is the set of allen keys. This is the tiny extension. This is the spring extension which I told you. The thing about this is it is flexible, so you can actually bend your way through corners where you can't reach normally from a solid point. And this is the key which you can push around here and there and spin. It's easier explained when you attach it on the device, but yeah, this is how it is. And these are all the bolt bits which you can attach to the wrench or to the extension and use it as and how you want it. So yeah, overall this looks like a very concise and very good collection of tools in a very small and nice package, and each of these are quite well built, heavy, strong as well. Yeah, this is the flexible neck. Yeah, overall very much happy with the quality of the all the equipments that are inside this box. It retails at around 1800 or so on Amazon right now. Prices may vary based on the discounts and whatnot, but for now, yeah, this is how much it costed when I was buying it. And yeah, I'll try to place a link in the description below for you if you wish to buy this. And overall, to be honest, this looks like it has almost everything that you need, and all of this closes up in a very nice constellation, and I think this should be easy to carry around as well, just like a tiny briefcase. So I hope you find this video useful if you're looking for a portable toolbox which has almost everything you need to fix up your motorcycle on the go. Until next time, then have fun, ride safe, see ya.